Chapter 35. Monday morning, I go into Dad's office to get my detention slip from Miss Lovely signed. He tells me he's writing a response to a 12-year-old girl who wants to get her boyfriend's name tattooed on her wrist. What's she even doing with a boyfriend? Dad flicks me the letter. This kind of thing reminds me how lucky I am to have you and Lindsay. I cough. Dad puts the letter down. What'd you need, pal? I slide the detention slip across his desk. Oh, a field trip already? I say nothing as Dad reads. Oh. Guess Dad not feeling so lucky about having me right now. I'm not happy about this, David. Me neither. I was late to class because I was checking out the TV studio. Still, you shouldn't have been late. Thanks for understanding. I grabbed the signed slip, stuffed it in my pocket, and trudged to school for detention. When I opened the door to room 103B, my eyes opened wide. The students slouching at desks are all bigger than me. Of course, kindergartners would probably be bigger than me. But here's some of the guys who turn around and to look at me have stubble. Stubble! I don't belong here. Up front, calls a voice. I make my way to the front of the classroom where a teacher holds out her hand. I wipe my sweaty palm on my pants and extend my hand to shake. David Greenberg, I say, getting used to the drill of giving my name. Nice to meet you, David Greenberg, the teacher says in a snide way. She does not take my extended hand, but shows me her palm again. I slap her 5. Kids laugh, and I feel the skin on my neck tingle. A girl from the first row stretches her sneaker out and kicks my foot. Your detention slip, she whispers. I nod to show her that I appreciate her telling me. The girl mutters, moron. I suck in a breath and give the teacher my signed detention slip. Take a seat, David Greenberg. There's only one unoccupied desk, and the person at the desk behind it waves. My knees turn to matzo meal. Take that open seat, the teacher says, pointing right there. Few kids snicker. One doesn't. He grins. I feel like I swallowed broken glass. Now, the teacher says in a low, ominous tone. I sit, every muscle in my body tense and tight. The kid behind me breathes loudly. His breath is hot and rotten. It makes the tiny hairs on the back of my neck bristle as his name whirls through my mind like a hurricane. Tommy Murphy.